One supply chain has been on the start of what looks like a massive run-up to come. Of course, I am talking about VeChain, who has been making some eye-widening collaboration with enterprise. Let's get it. Today we will be looking at VeChain's recent partnerships and answering that questions on your mind about where things are going from here. Is VeChain going to reach $1 or maybe even $2? As Simon Dedek predicted last year, or are we heading down from here? VeChain has been one of the best performers in the crypto market, and it's weird. But in fact, according to a data from Cointelegraph Markets and Trading View, the price of VET has been increased by more than 400% over the 2 months alone, inching its way up from a low of just over 2.5 cents on February 8 to a new record high of 26 cents on April 20. VeChain's all-time high in 2020 got to as high as almost 2 cents. VeChain is starting to face enterprise level adoption, and people are finally starting to open their eyes to what is being built, a blockchain powered supply chain platform with distributed governance which will optimize and revolutionize existing supply chain management systems. Now I'm going to let you in on a secret. The same way the institutional investors are driving the Bitcoin price up, enterprises are driving the VET token. So let's take a little more in-depth look into the partnerships driving VET's recent rise. There are 5 companies that have strategic key partnerships with VeChain: DNV, PricewaterhouseCoopers, National Research Consulting Center, VeChain Holdings, and VTHO, a crypto exchange. According to a Nasdaq, other major companies looking into using VeChain include BMW, LVMH, and BYD. VeChain's technology is being utilized on several projects that are managed by VET's partner DNV. DNV utilizes VeChain's blockchain solutions to manage data from projects with the Danish company RESI and the Norwegian industrial company Hydro. In March, VET announced an NFT-related collaboration with VMworld, which steadily increased the price. But what has driven the current explosion is an announcement with software company Salesforce announced on April 8. Salesforce sells the #1 CRM software or customer relationship management software and works with top companies such as Spotify, Amazon Web Services, US Bank, Toyota, Macy's, T-Mobile, Aldo, the New York Post, American Express, Canon, the American Red Cross, Oriel Americas, NBC Universal, and the Hershey Company. They all rely on Salesforce software. Following the Salesforce announcement less than a week later, VeChain revealed that it's partnered with PricewaterhouseCoopers, also known as PwC, and is assisting their clients integrating distributed ledger technology. Now, if you're unfamiliar with this company, PricewaterhouseCoopers is a service company that provides its clients with numerous services including auditing, tax and consulting, forensics, and much more. In December, VeChain partnered with the Royal Melbourne Institute of Technology, RMIT, blockchain innovation hub, pledging to research and come up with innovative ways of furthering the growth of entire blockchain industry. Here is a pie chart from Reddit to showcase VeChain's connections and partnerships. VeChain's strategic advisor of VeChain, Jackson Fu, recently highlighted several of partnerships to encourage other billion-dollar companies to join the platform. VeChain has managed to deliver strategies and solutions that, according to Fu, allow its partners to run business at scale. Fu said the following: VeChain Tor public blockchain is already looking like the #1 choice for business building real-world products. VeChain is solving a number of problems in the supply chain industry, but one main focus is data sharing between stakeholders. Trust remains a massive issue for multi-stakeholder collaboration within businesses. Currently, it's almost impossible for businesses to verify that data received from a third party without extensive time, resources, and cost. Now, this is according to the project Medium. Daniel Notch, Director of Strategy and Architecture at Salesforce, built an open source Salesforce toolchain adapter to enable open seamless data sharing across multiple parties using data hashed on the VeChain Tor public blockchain. Large SaaS platforms and business service providers such as Salesforce and DNV can use VeChain's toolkit to add blockchain solutions as potential offerings for all their hundreds of thousands of clients. VeChain recently announced that it will be working with enterprises to develop an enterprise NFT ecosystem. The ENFT system will be rolled out slowly in phases according to the VET Foundation, VET works on a proof of authority system using VTHO as a government token, as compared to Ethereum's proof of work blockchain. When VTHO is used, 70% of it is destroyed or burned and the other 30% is retained by authority masternodes. Authority nodes are the only nodes on the VeChain blockchain that are authorized to validate and produce blocks. VeChain uses a dual token system with inflationary and deflationary mechanics. Now VET also have a fixed supply, which is good thing. Holding VET generates the secondary token called VTHO. VTHO has a controlled inflation rate as well as a deflation rate burning with each transaction. The increase in VeChain's price and its adoption has also led to 1000% increase in the price of VTHO token or VTHO over the past few months, which is used as gas to pay for transactions and smart contract interaction on the blockchain. VeChain's vision is to deliver the mass adoption of public blockchain and solve the key business challenges that are otherwise unworkable without this emerging critical technology. Now each day, they inch closer and closer to that goal, and this bull run is just getting started. I for one am always wondering what exactly in the food I eat or the articles of clothing that I wear. VeChain has tasked itself with making this possible and seems to be getting closer to that goal every day. Thank you for watching and be blessed.